Welcome back to my YouTube video. Today we are going to show you very beautiful and amazing craft of jute craft. Very eco-friendly, sustainable and beautiful also. And it can available all from all shops, so you can buy it and make craft with it. We gives you ideas of some X-Mex craft and X-Mex ideas, very beautiful and easy to make at home. We gives you advice and tips, and I gives you our ideas. So in this video we're gonna show you very beautiful interesting ideas, and you can grow your business as well. In this season you can make beautiful craft like this and make video with it and post on social media like Facebook, Instagram and many more platforms, and you can grow your business. So you can purchase some Google ads, and if your product is extraordinary, your product will definitely go viral. So make your product beautiful and crafty. So viewers, in this video we gives you the most popular and most awaited designs of the season. This is the biggest season of the year, so this video gives you the burlap bags ideas. Make some gifts on it, gift bags. You can make gift bags, and you can make beautiful ideas. You can make different types of burlap bags, different types of ideas. So if you want to more designs like this, more ideas like this, you can watch our video, and our video gives you a very different types of collection. You can make ornaments with jute rope and add some red pearl, red beads. You can make gift with this style. Wall hanging decoration, you can make wall hanging decoration, hanging lights with bottle recycle ideas. In this video we gives you bottle recycle ideas, jute ropes ideas, and very beautiful ideas. Many more designs we would like to share with you. So how you feel about that? How you feel? These are very crafty and beautiful collection. You can add some burlap and jute rope, add some green leaves production, and add some red pearl and cherries style. So add some pine cones, add some beautiful ribbons bow. These are very interesting and beautiful designs. Add some, as you can watch in this video, make some burlap craft, jute craft, and add some flower seeds and beaded work, some beautiful balls and bows. So how you feel like that? How you feel about that? These products are useful for you. These products are very interesting for you. Hope you like the designs and ideas. You can make very beautiful designs, grow your business, keep satisfying. And one more thing is very special, that these are very mindfulness is it's very healthy for mindfulness. This is very healthy, and if you make these type of items and focus and relaxing with it, if you make something useful and interesting, so you will definitely keep relaxing with it and make some different types of craft. So what do you feel about that? How you feel that my advice is good for you or not? So I will, if you commenting on my channel, I will definitely very thankful to you. So keep watching, keep growing. Have a very nice and beautiful journey. God bless you all. Take care. Thank you for watching. Keep shining, keep smiling like a star. Have a very nice and good day. God bless you all. Take care.